Windows has a hidden repair tools most people never use, and it can fix common PC problems in seconds. In this video, I'll show you exactly where to find it and how to use it step by step. And if you are new here, consider subscribing. I post simple Windows tips that helps you fix problems and boost your PC performance fast. Now let's get started. So let me show you this Windows Repair tool in action. First, you open your Windows settings by right-clicking on the Start, and then you click on Settings. So at the settings, you are going to click on System. And then at the right pane of the system, you are going to scroll down, and then we'll click on Troubleshoot. So at the Troubleshoot, you are going to click on Other Troubleshooters. So here you can troubleshoot your audio, network and internet, printer, Windows Update, background intelligent transfer, Bluetooth, camera, compatibility troubleshooter, video playback, Windows Media Player, okay? So you can do your basic troubleshooting here. So suppose I want to troubleshoot my network and internet, I'm going to click on Run next to the network and internet. So here it's checking if my network and internet is fine, okay? So it says good news, you are connected, meaning I don't have any issue with my network or internet, okay? So I'm going to close this. And then if I want to troubleshoot my Bluetooth, I'm going to click on the Run next to the Bluetooth, okay? So it's still searching. So I'm going to scroll down and then I'm going to click on yes, because it's seeking your consent to carry on with it like a diagnostic, okay? So I'm going to click on yes. So what this does is Windows scans the problem, then detect the issues automatically, okay? After it has detected the issue, it then applies the fixes instantly, okay? So I'm going to scroll down and then it asks if I want to continue with the troubleshooting. So I'm going to click on continue. So it checks or it scans the problem and detect the issue, okay, automatically. Then it applies its fixes instantly after the issue has been detected, okay. But it might take a bit of a time depending on what your issue is. So you have to have patience and wait for the process. So at this point, if you find this guide helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel so that we can make more videos like this. Okay, so it has brought the feedback of pending Windows updates checked, okay. So I mean I have some pending Windows update I need to do, okay. So it's still scanning for the problem. Windows Update is now open in your device, okay. So you see, do you see a restart required message in the Windows Update? So if I go to the Windows Update, so let me go to the Windows Update and let's see what it says. So Windows Update. So you are up to date, okay, meaning I'm up to date. So let me check for Windows Update and then let's see if I have any Windows Update I need to do. Okay, so you see, I have some updates pending, okay, which I have to download and install, okay. So if I come back to the troubleshooter, it means I have a Windows update pending, which will affect the Bluetooth as well, okay. So you can use this troubleshooter to quickly troubleshoot some basic computer issues, okay. So let me close this. You see, so it has automatically installed and fixed the issue, okay. It has updated the Windows automatically, okay. So let me go back to the troubleshooter. Okay, so you can do your basic troubleshooting here. So you don't have to format, or you don't have to go for a third-party applications to troubleshoot your system or your issue. You can first do your basic troubleshooting here. If the issue still persists, then you can carry on with the advanced troubleshooting. Okay, so this brings us to the end of this quick tutorial. Please, if you find this guide helpful, please consider supporting the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and liking the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye for now.